Hey, it's a little late, but I decided I'm gonna do another podcast before I head off to bed. Yeah, so I'm joined here again with my buddy Arnold. Arnold, what are you doing today, man?
Oh, just going in and out of my dreams, trying to find a good game that really brings about the things I love about the video game industry.
I swear to God, I thought you were
Yeah.
gonna say Batman.
Pretty much describes my entire day. How about yourself, you fat bastard?
Wow, that's slightly a little
And
rude.
do something about it.
Yeah, man, I just got off work, got home, did a little Titanfall. Pretty much really nothing going on.
Gay.
Outside the fact that right now I'm just enjoying some really delicious fish sticks.
Try to let us
Well,
rap.
I guess while I got you here, Arnold, maybe we could talk about a little, some of your biggest disappointments in the most recent titles that have
Really?
been released. The AAA titles, or the free-to-play titles that always end up grabbing you for your cash anyway. What do you
Yeah.
think, man? What's the current trend of gaming?
Well, the current trend of gaming is not one that I'm entirely particular.
Yeah, me
I
either,
mean,
man.
I could afford it if really necessary.
Must be
But-
fucking fortunate.
I think it's kind of just like, give me your money, and I'm going to release quasi-different titles every year
Yeah, and then
that have almost
unfinished.
no difference
Yeah.
except slightly improved graphics and 4 new guns. That's what I think, and I'm glad you actually asked.
Well, I mean, come on, man. We do a podcast together. But you're 100% right, because, there's many titles that are also coming out with day one DLC.
Oh,
Which,
God.
in hindsight, that usually is about, maybe they get, 8 weeks
I don't
after the
care.
game's made to continue making more products. But, also, we're getting unfinished games where they're like, oh, we'll just give you more DLC later.
Well, tell me about it. I mean,
to ensure
Titanfall's
that
the
you
perfect
you
one.
keep buying our product, and it's not a practice I'm entirely positive. There's a great possibility that day one DLC can be a good thing, and
Hell.
decent DLC can be good, but I've never really seen good DLC. It's usually half-assed.
Yeah, well,
Yeah.
I mean, let's be honest here. The only decent DLC I've ever seen for a title is either map packs
Yeah,
or the Grand Theft Auto
dude, those were good
DLC.
DLC though. Like they expanded the story. Whoa,
Oh, God.
you all right?
I think I'm dying.
Well, maybe
Oh, God, I'm dying.
maybe you shouldn't talk in that voice. Obviously, it's
But I love the
manufactured
voice.
I mean,
It's not
You're not-
manufactured.
it doesn't sound good. No
Yeah,
one's
it
gonna want
does.
to watch and listen to a retarded Batman
What?
do a fucking podcast.
Oh, come on, you don't know that until we release the podcast.
I kind of do though, because I know I
There's
don't.
no
think
way that you could tell whether somebody wants to hear my voice.
Right.
Because I think it sounds quite sexy.
Well, I'm sure you do. You're a wannabe Bruce Banner Batman fucking
I'm
aficionado.
Batman.
I don't fucking know. But we're getting a
No
little
fucking
sidetracked
shit,
here.
man.
Yeah, you're retarded
Well,
sometimes, man.
I'm
all
not,
right?
though.
I'm sorry, but someone had to tell you,
Well, fuck you.
you're not Batman.
I am
Arnold. Okay?
Batman.
Arnold Sprigalinsky.
They're not
Fucking-
saying my last name.
Enough with the voice. You
No.
can talk pretty normal if you
No.
want.
The voice is only getting started. You motherfucker. Alright? This is how I'm gonna do this podcast.
Really?
And you're gonna get on board. Or I'm gonna find someone else to do this podcast with me.
Really? Alright, well, okay, calm down, alright? We don't have to fucking threaten to quit.
I'm not
One of the
threatening.
few people that are actually willing to do a podcast.
Well, yeah.
Which is probably speaks in droves about, my fan base and actually people that I game with and associate with.
Well, look, you're a loser.
Calm down.
Alright. I'm
Alright?
sorry.
It's alright.
I promise I won't go overboard. But you
All right,
really have
good.
to understand something. I really like Batman.
Okay, noted. Man, it's getting really hard to talk like that. I really am sorry. Wow, you broke character. Fucking right on.
Yeah, I
That's
know.
what you
All
normally
right.
sound like, right? Thank God, we finally
But-
have Arnold back.
Yeah.
You done with the Christian Bale?
No, I'm not. I am Batman.
Okay, but what the fuck was that? An evil laugh? Okay, as
Yeah.
usual, we got sidetracked. I'm glad you guys are liking these videos. We're gonna keep on releasing them.
Yeah, we
Right,
are.
Arnold?
Yeah, there's
Don't
so
do it.
many more.
Stop.
No,
Stop
fuck
it.
you. Fuck you.
Can someone kill me?
Yeah. I'll go
Thank
ahead and throw a batarang in your face. That's right. Subscribe, bitches. For more Arnold.